Hello friends, welcome to our channel Banani's Garden. In this video, we are going to show growing of coriander seeds and how to collect them to save for next year. We have another complete video on how to grow coriander leaves from seeds. The link of the video is given in the description below. Let's get started. Within 2.5 months of sowing the seeds, the plants will get the flower stalks. This is 90 days after sowing the seeds. The stalks are now almost 2.5 feet long. Some of them have already bloomed. After 105 days, the plants have completely bloomed. Some plants got fruits. This is after 132 days. When you see the seeds are turning yellow, stop watering the plants. After some days, the plants and the seeds will become dry. This is the perfect time to harvest them. We will cut the stalks and keep them in a plastic packet. Let them dry for 2 days in full sunlight. Now the seeds and the stalks are dry enough. If you apply a little pressure, then the seeds will be easily separated from their branches. Now we have to separate the seeds from the small branches and the dust of the leaves. For that, you have to use a sieve. We will use our seedbed container for this. The dust will pass through, but you have to separate the small stalks by hand picking. Keep the seeds in airtight container or packet to save them from moisture. You can use these seeds in the next season to grow coriander plants. To watch how to do that, click on the on-screen video link. If you like the video, then like and share it. Feel free to leave your suggestion in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more of these types of videos. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video.